Hello everybody, my name is Dario Sabella and I'm pleased to present you this course on Edge Security Demystified. So while talking about security, security is a universe of technologies and we are going to tailor our course on edge computing. So edge security is a galaxy, so quite a huge space but smaller. And then nonetheless, it's important to demystify some aspects related to edge security. So here I'm pleased to give you this course. I hope it will be useful for you. So yeah, please have a look to the usual notices and disclaimers for a correct interpretation of what we say in this course. Thank you so much. And yeah, let's go to the course. This is an advanced guide to securing your massive edge infrastructure and build secure applications and services. And some key features, let me read them, quite important. Understanding edge computing and its technology, not only for 5G systems, but also in conjunction with other technologies. Gaining knowledge on all the innovative technologies around Mac with all the critical references from international standardization like ETSI 3GPP, industry groups like GSMA and 5GAA, and open source like Linux Foundation, CNCF, and so on. Providing improved reliability by centralizing the processing of data, ensuring critical systems can still operate even if the central network or cloud service is down. Enhancing security through processing and storing sensitive data closer to the source, lowering the risk of data breaches, being the future of the cloud. The edge market is in continuous expansion and all the forecasts are moving in the same direction, serving multiple use cases and vertical market segments, automotive, industrial automation, drones, video streaming, gaming, and so on, and exploring the development of Mac application, as edge computing is a natural evolution of cloud computing. And here is the course roadmap, as I said, divided by sections. And let's have a look to the various parts of this course on edge security demystified. So, first section is about hype versus reality of Mac multi-access edge computing. And these sections introduces the course and discusses real versus hype on Mac. So the vision and promise of the edge, understanding the hype and the chicken egg problem, preparing for what is real and the application development perspective. And then in section 2, edge computing ecosystem and standards, this section provides a must-have overview on edge computing encompassing standards, industry groups, and open source projects. A comprehensive set of references will help navigating into the vast number of initiatives in the area. We start from edge computing, fog computing, cloud computing, and some overview about ETSI ISG Mac and the scope and the integration with 3GPP SA6 Edge App with ETSI Mac, some industry groups related to Mac and open source projects as well on the edge. So section 3 is about a deep dive on Mac specification, discussing the technical aspects of Mac technology from architecture to APIs and deployment options, including edge federated scenarios. And then we start from Mac architecture, Mac service APIs, Mac in NFV environments, Mac in 4G, in 5G, and in Wi-Fi networks. And then inter-Mac systems and Mac to cloud system coordination, and then some technical background as a bonus track on Mac Federation. Then section 4, cybersecurity at the edge, scenarios and challenges, so highlighting the challenges related to ensuring an end-to-end security in edge computing environments, introducing areas of vulnerabilities and approaches for edge security. So end-to-end security in edge environments, edge scenarios and security aspects, areas of vulnerabilities and approaches for edge security. Then moving to technical overview on Mac security solutions and standards, We will illustrate the various solutions available and standards from many different bodies that could be potentially applicable for the specific field of edge security. And in this session, of course, ETSI, 3GPP, and other standards are covered by considering as well SASE, MEF, and cybersecurity regulation applicable to edge compute, and finally a deep dive on the current ETSI network and a case study on edge platforms will complete the section. And then you can see here, so landscape for standardization of security, ETSI, ISG, NFP, network function virtualization, ISG MEC, multi-access edge computing, ETSI TC Cyber, 3GPP SA3, SASE and MEF, TCG, ISO, NIST, cybersecurity regulation applicable to edge compute, and then, as I said, the case study on edge reference platform. So we will start an automotive use case in section 6 with the view of 5G AA, 5G Automotive Association. So discussing how the edge cybersecurity is perceived from the automotive market, highlighting the main challenges related to scenarios which are relevant for automotive applications using MEC. In the first part, we will see multi-operator, multi-car maker, and multi-vendor scenarios analyzed, and MEC federation, of course. So we'll start from the automotive challenge and describe the scenarios on multi-MNO, multi-OEM, multi-vendor, and of course, we will treat the MEC Federation as an industry-led initiative, and we will talk also about Telco Edge Cloud and Network as a Service. In the second part, an overview of the various threats is provided by focusing the case study on 3 categories, so security, privacy, and trust. So then the 5G AA perspective on available mitigation strategies will be provided. So we will provide, of course, some landscape about the threats, and then privacy threats, trust aspects, and mitigation strategies, and then finally some considerations and automotive perspective. Now, looking forward on MEC security, in section 8 we will discuss the next step on MEC security and related fields of evolution based on current technology trends toward the future, cyber and physical systems. So we will analyze the edge technology trends and treat about confidential computing, AI implications, distributed ledger technology, quantum resistant crypto, and so on and so forth. And then finally, section 9 will conclude our course with the next steps, so some overview of the key takeaways from the course, and also my thanks and contact information as author of this course. So what you will learn: fundamentals of MEC technology, especially in relation with the 5G systems and the main aspects related to cybersecurity at the edge security strategy and workflow, learn comprehensive overview of state-of-the-art technical solutions and standards related to edge and security, secure implementation of edge environments, deploy tunnels and firewalls at the edge, and endpoint device monitoring within an edge environment, learn about device and user authentication in edge computing, deployment of network access control in edge computing, and issues related to data leakage in edge environments, secure access service edge, SASE architecture, and how to deploy SASE at the edge. And yeah, well, some prerequisites, basic knowledge on networking and cloud computing, programming skills are preferred, and also optionally a basic knowledge of mobile communication systems is a plus, though not required for this course. And yeah, finally, some additional information regarding the setup and installation and minimal hardware and software requirements. I will say quite basic nowadays of the normal setup. So I hope you will not have any issues on that. And yeah, here we go.